Oh my God! You think we can fix it? So it doesn't run, it doesn't start. Dude, this is gonna be a big headache. All right, so working on the fender here. We got the bolts on the front taken out, the bolts at the back as well is taken out. Everything is all coming out of here. It's all in pieces. You can go rough on it because it's all garbage anyways. There you go. All right, garbage.
This for garbage, yeah?
Yes.
And this one was for garbage.
Yes.
And the light.
Yes. The door, garbage. So let's take out the lights next. This plastic tank right here, take out. And this plastic here, and then this metal impact bar right here, because you can see chunks missing on this aluminum impact bar, and then the bracket right here is bent.
This garbage. This light ready to come out. And this one, this is for garbage also. And the wheel.
Alright guys, check it out. We got a lot of parts taken out. The exterior is out, and this is all the interior, the skeleton of this vehicle. You can see right here there's a lot of going on here. First, the rad support is cracked. That's gonna be brand new or used one. We're gonna have to replace this old one right there. There's a lot of crack on this side, and there you go. We got the container out. Top container was rubbing to the alternator here. And then this bracket right here, engine mount bracket, it's cracked right there. Look at that, damn. And you got a really good hit right there, guys. This is the big money right here, the big money shot. This is why this vehicle was total loss, because of this frame right there. It was super bent. It got hit right here, and the weak spot was bent right there. Hit right there and hit the tire, and then move the rim. That caused this struts to bend. That's why we have that camber looking vehicle earlier. And that metal piece that flew off, the cable links, here's the end of that link. So it's gonna be a big problem right here. It's gonna be a big mess. Frame alignment shop have two options. They could pull this out, stretch it out, and we'll line up everything, or they could cut it and replace it with a brand new one. That's the option that they're gonna do. But first, we're just gonna replace this shock right here with our old one. We'll put the tire back on so we could drive this, move it, put in the trailer maybe. And this is easy for the shop to see now because everything is out. They can see everything. They're gonna line up everything, their ruler or whatever that they need to do. They can see that's close right here. This frame is rubbing it to the engine pulley and alternator right there, but other than that, it's not that bad. It's gonna be a headache, but we just have to replace those two parts right there, and then we'll carry on. All right, so we use 14 mil sockets on this one to take out the upper struts, and then right here, I think it was 15, right, or 14 down here. We had to take out the bolt joint off the lower control arm so we could swing this whole thing out. So I just need one more nut right there taken out. Alright, so this part right here, because the strut is bent, he's just gonna pry it out. He's gonna pry it out. Be careful, take your hand out. Take your hand out, it's gonna, yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna slip that tool and it's gonna hit your hand. Okay, well, underneath here, bro. Put it right here.
Here?
Yeah. No. stuck. Oh, I know why.
Because
Hold on.
it's bending.
Because it's not coming out. It's stuck in there. That's why. Holy shit.
Yeah, the hammer from. Is the keeper over here?
Yes. So you're trying to pry it out in the middle here. Hammer.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
There you go. Take it out now.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just watching you. You're working hard and I'm watching you. Come on, man. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Hammer.
Where's it?
Okay, go take it out.
Yeah, that's good.
How long is this thing?
Yeah, almost done. You can't, bro. You can hold this one. Just leave it to me. Why?
It's too long. Be more.
Because it's stuck. Oh, hold this one.
Nice.
Bro.
Yeah, bro. Good job, bro. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
You watching me?
Crazy. You're a crazy Syrian. You're a crazy Syrian.
Got it.
Good job, bro.
Yeah. But no problem for this, eh? No
You have to
problem.
take this one out.
But no problem for this one?
No.
Because the
No problem. Yeah, take this one out.
in here?
That's it.
That's it.
On this side. Now we have to go to the parts car and take out that one and put it in here.
Now stock just take it out, yeah?
Yeah.
But bro, no another idea is easy to take it.
It's a bent part. That's why it's hard to take. If it's not bent, it's the other one will be easy
Yeah.
because it's not bent.
Right.
So
Okay.
yeah, not bad, bro. Good job.
Yeah. But are you sure this one not bending? No bend.
No, not bent.
No bend.
No,
This one no bend. This one no bend.
no,
Nothing in here, you know?
no. Just need to take this one out and then this
Okay.
and then.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one, bro. Here. See,
Yeah, for us maybe now, yeah? Or before.
we can change this
Yeah.
steering. The inner tie rod is bent. It has to be straight.
Oh.
It's bent.
This one?
Yeah.
How can you take it out?
You have to take out the boot. Inner tie rod. This is outer tie rod. This is easy.
It's easy?
Yeah.
Take it the boot, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it.
But
Now
what do you
if you
think?
want.
Now you bent it or before?
No, before it was like that.
Oh, it's what that.
So now to take this out, we had to take out this.
Oh, this
Take
one?
that, yeah.
This one, all one?
Yes.
What is the name this one?
This is a steering rack. This is outer tie rod. This is inner tie rod. There's two pieces, 1 and 2.
Two, yeah.
Yeah. So the inner tie rod is bent. So we had to take this one out, take out the pin.
Oh, okay.
So that's probably why it's hard to steer.
Yeah,
So,